Hi Internet, I want some advice for a future tutorial I have coming for Christmas. I was inspired by the Crochet Crowd's Peppermint Afghan and the Starlight Peppermint Afghan, and I wanted to make my own. I designed this a couple years ago, but I wanted some advice on maybe a color scheme you wanted to see. Like this one is the lime green and the red. And I joined it with just the typical join as you go as you make your hexagons. But I also recently learned of a new join. I actually made this black version, black background version, so you could actually see the join. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm using the Red Heart metallic yarn. I think the sparkle yarn where you can't really see the sparkles because they really blend in works best for the peppermints. I have a red one too. Because then they really look powdered, which is what I was going for, because I plan on calling this like Cascading Peppermints or Powdered Peppermints Afghan. I'm just wondering, which join do you like better for my tutorial? This one? Or this one? I'm guessing this one because you could actually just make all the peppermint motifs you need at once and then arrange them how you want and join them all in a continuous join as you go. I've made peppermints in this blue. I do plan on using the Mary Maxim Starlet yarn because they have a lot of colors in the same color as the yarn, so they really stand out a lot better compared to this. But I'm wondering, for my tutorial, should I do a blue version with you can't really see, dark navy yarn? Should I do just blue with maybe a white join together? I mean, I'm just wondering what you think I should do for my tutorial. I also have some of these peppermints in this Christmas yarn, which also looks really pretty with the Red Heart Sparkle metallic. Should I do this combo with a white background and join it with a sparkle? Should I even do a dark green sparkle with this red as a background? I mean, I was just wondering what you guys would like to see. I know black wouldn't really show up in a tutorial, but I really like this join and I think it would be a lot easier. Plus, I also plan on making half hexies to fill in these gaps. And I also wonder, since if I used this join, I would have a single crochet border anyway, what kind of edging do you think would look best? I was thinking the little puffball chains. I have a tutorial on that on my channel too. If you guys could just give me some advice, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.